Welcome to Mixed Messages. I'm Claire Ward, and we are here to cheers to the Golden State. We're making cocktails inspired by California, the cool ingredients, the rich culture, and of course the breweries, wineries, and distilleries that make the booze. Today is Cinco de Mayo, which is the anniversary of the Battle of Puebla. This holiday is commemorated in Mexico through ceremonies and arts and food festivals, and in America it's become a day to celebrate Mexican culture, and especially the impact it has had on the state of California. From arts to architecture to agriculture, and of course, the way we drink. The agave plant has been a central figure in Mexico for centuries. Utilized in textiles, medicines, religious ceremonies, but today, of course, we think about it mostly with tequila. When most people think of tequila, they think of margaritas, but today we are gonna celebrate margarita's little cousin, the Paloma. The Paloma was actually the most Googled cocktail in the state of California in 2020. The origins of this drink are a little murky. They've got all these tall tales of rival bar managers, a tumultuous love triangle. We don't really know, but we do know that Paloma translates to dove, was probably named after a beautiful woman. And much like its origins, the recipe for this drink is hotly debated. Depending on what bar you go to, what bartender you see, this drink could have 2 to 5, 6, 7, 8 ingredients. There's really a big range there. A traditional Paloma is really simple to make. It's just tequila, a squeeze of lime, and grapefruit soda. It's honestly really good. We're gonna take a fresher approach and explore a couple ways to spice it up. Our first twist is we're gonna salt our rim, but instead of using regular salt, we're gonna use a combination of Tajín and kosher salt. Tajín is a Mexican spice one that uses chili peppers, dehydrated lime, and salt. It's got a little acid to it, a little heat, and it really plays well with the grapefruit. We're gonna use what's called a rolling technique. So we're gonna take our glass and roll it in a half a grapefruit. You can also use a half an orange, but since you use grapefruit for this cocktails, that's what we're using. We're also gonna roll it into our salt. The rolling method helps you get the salt on the outside of the glass and not the inside, so your drink isn't salty. Fill our glass with ice. We wanna fill all the way to the top. Then we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of blanco tequila. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime, and a 1/2 ounce of a 1-to-1 agave syrup, which is made by combining equal parts hot water and agave. Typically, you would just top this drink with club soda or sparkling water, but our next little trick is I'm gonna use a flavored one. I'm gonna use passion fruit, but you could use grapefruit, mango, lime, whatever is your favorite. Then we're gonna take our straw and use an up and down motion to combine the liquids. You can garnish this with the lime as you want, or just leave it as is. The salt's an awfully pretty garnish. All right, let's take a taste. That's delicious. Citrusy, refreshing, beautiful fruity and vegetable notes of the agave plant. It's a great drink for a hot day. Thanks for tuning in to Mixed Messages. If you have any questions about this drink, any ingredients used, drop a comment below or let us know if there's a California ingredient you'd like to see featured on Mixed Messages. Thanks for watching and cheers, y'all.